Hi, and welcome to the Natural Athletes Clinic. If you're dealing with degenerative tendon or ligament injuries like Achilles tendinosis or tennis elbow, you know how frustrating these can be to get healed up. These injuries involve tissue degeneration, not just inflammation, which means they require a different approach to healing. So today, I'm sharing the best natural strategies backed by some science to rebuild and strengthen your tendons and ligaments. So let's dive in. Hey, I'm Dr. Jason Barker. One of my clinical specialties over the last 22 years has been working with athletes to improve performance. So as an athlete myself, I've always been interested in what makes us all go faster, have better performance, recover quicker, avoid injuries, etc., etc. So this channel is a fun way for me to get some of this info out there. Now, degenerative injuries happen when repetitive stress causes micro tears in connective tissue, leading to weakened collagen fibers and impaired blood flow. Over time, this damage creates a pro-inflammatory environment in the affected tissues. Chronic inflammation worsens the degeneration by releasing inflammatory chemicals, which further degrade the collagen. This cycle of damage and inflammation inhibits the body's natural ability to repair those tissues, leading to progressive deterioration. Additionally, chronic inflammation disrupts normal cell function, reduces nutrient delivery, and increases oxidative stress, all of which contribute to the accelerated breakdown of connective tissues and delayed healing. Unlike acute injuries, these conditions require a deeper focus on rebuilding and nourishing the damaged tissue. What's the key? The key is supplying your body with the right nutrients and stimulating the proper repair processes. So there are three main areas or steps that we need to focus on to heal up degenerative injuries. The first is collagen support. Collagen is the main structural protein in tendons and ligaments, specifically type 1 collagen, which provides strength and resilience to those tissues. All right, there are 4 compounds that enhance collagen repair. These include hydrolyzed type 1 collagen. Collagen supplements are broken down into peptides that your body can absorb and use to stimulate fibroblasts, the cells that produce new collagen. Studies show that taking type 1 collagen daily improves tendon stiffness and elasticity. The next supplement you want to consider is vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, acting as a cofactor for enzymes that stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers. Add foods like citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers to your diet, in addition to a 500 milligram vitamin C supplement twice daily. The next nutrient to add is glycine. Glycine is a key amino acid in collagen. Animal proteins like fish and red meat tend to be rich in glycine, but legumes, nuts, and seeds are decent vegetarian sources as well. Additionally, many collagen supplements provide a healthy dose of glycine as well. Next up are mucopolysaccharides, also known as glycosaminoglycans, which are critical components of connective tissues. These compounds provide structural integrity, lubrication, and hydration to tendons and ligaments by binding water molecules in the affected tissue. This hydration helps maintain tissue elasticity and reduces mechanical stress during movement. Mucopolysaccharides are found in foods like bone broth and shellfish. Also, supplements like chondroitin sulfate and hyaluronic acid are also good sources. Next up, we want to reduce chronic low-grade inflammation. This is critical for tissue repair. You can use omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are great for reducing inflammatory chemicals, leading to an optimal environment for healing. Additionally, you can also use curcumin. Curcumin blocks something called NF-kappa beta, a protein complex that drives inflammation. Curcumin may also enhance collagen synthesis. Be sure to use a liposomal curcumin supplement for better absorption. It's also important to eliminate pro-inflammatory foods. Processed foods, sugars, alcohol, excess seed oils all worsen systemic inflammation and slow healing. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods instead. Step 3 involves using specific nutrients that are pivotal in tendon and ligament repair. Vitamin B6 is crucial for collagen cross-linking, which strengthens connective tissues. Foods rich in B6 include bananas, chickpeas, salmon, and some potatoes. Zinc is vital for protein synthesis and cell repair. It also regulates enzyme activity involved in collagen production. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, beef, and spinach are all excellent sources of zinc. Copper activates lysyl oxidase, an enzyme that reinforces the collagen matrix. You can get a lot of copper from nuts, seeds, shellfish, and liver. The fourth and final step involves stimulating blood flow in the injured area. Poor blood supply in tendons and ligaments slows healing, so increasing circulation is key. You can do this by using eccentric exercises. These are controlled lengthening movements like slow heel drops for Achilles tendinosis as an example. This stimulates fibroblast activity and realigns collagen fibers for stronger tendons. Heat therapy increases localized blood flow, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to the injured tissue. Combine heat therapy with rehab exercises for best results. Lastly, manual therapies like massage, myofascial release, and dry needling all promote blood flow and tissue turnover, helping the body repair those damaged tissues. In conclusion, healing degenerative tendon and ligament injuries takes time and a comprehensive approach. By supporting your body with type 1 collagen, mucopolysaccharides, anti-inflammatory nutrients, and blood flow enhancing strategies, you can rebuild stronger, healthier connective tissues. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out more tips here on the Natural Athletes Clinic. Let's get you back to performing at your best.